Have you ever wondered how to make pure cold pressed coconut oil at home with simple tools? Today, I will show you the most efficient and rewarding way to extract your own cold pressed coconut oil from start to finish. I will share every step, including tips and tricks for the best result. And I will also show you how to extract the oil and the milk separately, and how to store the milk for a longer period of time without refrigerator. Stick around till the end to see why this method is the absolute best. I started with 4 small but matured coconut. First, I deshelled them to remove the hard outer shell. Then, using a simple kitchen grater, I finally grated the coconut flesh. This ensures we maximize the oil extraction later. Next, I spread the grated coconut evenly on a tray and sun-dried it for about 2 hours. This step is crucial to reduce moisture and improve oil extraction efficiency. Once dried, the magic begins. I took a small portion of the grated coconut, squeezed it between my fingers, and look, pure oil already started to show. To extract the oil, I lined my manual juicer with cheesecloth and filled it with the dried grated coconut. Twisting the cheesecloth tight ensures we trap all the oil as we squeeze. The manual juicer is incredibly efficient at extracting oil. It ensures minimal waste and maximum yield. But what if you don't have a manual juicer? No worries. Here is an alternative method. Place the grated coconut in a cheesecloth. Twist it tightly and squeeze hard with your hands. Why this method works, it is not as efficient, so I recommend using a manual juicer for the best results. And after pressing it with my hands, I also transferred it to the manual juicer. And look at how much oil I got. This would have been a waste. Here is the oil we have extracted. Pure, natural, and untouched. But because it is very cloudy, because I did not peel the coconut outer skin, I let the oil sit on the stove for 5 days to clarify naturally. And here it is, clear, white, and absolutely pure. This is the magic of cold pressed coconut oil, made with care and precision. Why is this the best method? Cold pressing preserves the nutrients, flavor, and aroma of the coconut. It is chemical free, requires no heat, and gives you the purest form of oil. Plus, this manual juicer method ensures maximum efficiency with minimal effort. Here begins another magic. This is our dried coconut chaff after extracting the oil. We will once again spread them on the tray and sun-dry them for 1 hour to ensure they are super crispy. In the old-fashioned way, this is a waste or is used as a desiccated coconut with all its milk extracted and wasted during oil extraction. But with this method, all the milk are still intact, which will be extracted later on. This is crispy dried, and when you taste it, the sugar are still intact. To store it for a longer period of time, you can either put it in an airtight jar or pack it in a nylon, just like I'm doing in this video. When you need coconut milk for anything, just pour it into your blender, add water and blend for 30 seconds. Strain it with a cheesecloth. Look at how creamy it is. This is highly delicious. You can drink it or use it to cook your coconut rice. Let me know your preferred method in my comment section, whether the old method or this method. Now you know how to make cold pressed coconut oil right at home. Whether it is for cooking, skincare, or even hair care, this oil is a game changer. If you find this process as fascinating as I do, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more exciting DIYs. See you in the next video.